All right, here we are. All right, how is it going, everybody? Seems like last week Google will develop Android OS entirely behind closed doors. Android just changed forever. Hmm.
It's a good chance I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for Android. It was a
What it is about Android now?
game-changing operating system for me back as a kid in high school. The fact that the whole thing was open source and I could just go in and look at and change the code, it was like the natural progression of HTML in the browser that you could edit the source of and see changes. It felt magical, like the things that powered my world were suddenly open to me. Which is why I'm sad to say some of that magic is going away. The Android team is fundamentally changing the way they work on Android, and they're moving all development out of the open source projects. This has some concerning implications for Android, how it's being.
E-connection reset is something else, Arindam. E-connection reset is not a problem with your code. I feel like Molly API econ reset. That is something else, Arindam. That's not a problem with your code. Abruptly close at the end of his connection. Application protocol errors. You could look in the API server logs to see if it complains about something. You need to check. You need to check something on the Node.js level, bro. It's not. It's not anything to be related with Molly specifically. Hey Dananamu, welcome back, bro. Hey Kiko Aniklal. Are you Ani from my Discord server? Feels like. It is getting so hard to manage studies and making project these days. Arinja. Okay. Um, this is what you do, right? You prioritize your studies. Forget projects. They are not helping you if you are stressed about I had to cancel on a hackathon this week. Okay. So hackathons in my opinion are pretty useless when it comes to if you are pursuing coding as a professional thing. I don't think that you can put hackathons in your resume and it will make you stand out from the crowd. It doesn't do that. So, if you are stuck between studies and hackathons and everything, prioritize studies. Try to get the best grades that you can. That will be more helpful compared to going to hackathons. Also, Arindam, check with Node.js server issues. I mean, econ reset is not something specific to Molly. So that if you just implement, I might be able to get some idea. Actually, I'll tell you what, bro. Um, how can I implement Molly Gateway? Let's see. Do I have an account in Molly? It's not for resume. I really like going to it. Oh, okay. If it's not for resume, then fine. But I would still say prioritize your studies, bro. Hyderabad is getting so hot. I really want to switch on AC even now, bro. You have no idea how hot it is right now in Jharkhand. It is crazy. It is like dry heat. At least I have got the dry part of warm weather. But if I go back to Kolkata, it is like sticky, warm weather down there. So if you take a bath, the moment you step out of the bathroom, your underarms are sweaty again. Your forehead is sweaty again. It basically destroys your entire purpose of taking a bath, which is to get freshen up. But it's not compared to that. It is better in Jharkhand. but it is, I would say, still warm as hell. The sun outside, if I step into it, within 10 seconds, my skin would be burning. 38 in CG. Chhattisgarh. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, it is like that kind of weather down here also. Let me check my weather app, what it says. Weather today. 36 degree, humidity is 21% and wind is 8 kilometer per hour. Air quality is moderate. And 36 is right now. By 3 p.m. By 3 and 4 p.m. it's gonna get up to 38 degrees, and then by 12 a.m. 12 midnight is about to drop down to 24. 5 a.m. is the coolest at 21 degrees. 21 degrees to 30 to 38, 38, yeah, 21 to 38. 17 degrees range. This is crazy. It's just March and it's going 42. Damn. Living in Delhi for the past 3 years now, I prefer this dry heat than what it was back in Kolkata. Fair, fair. Let me see if I have browse developers. Okay, so I do have a test API key. Fine. If I copy it, hoping you won't talk about AI today. Also, Abhijit, you left the Discord server. I saw you. I caught you. Also, you can't get away from this discussion about AI. AI is, yeah. And just so a little bit disclaimer, there will be an AI section in the long format video that I am working on right now. I shared the Google Doc link yesterday on Discord server. It might be very upwards in the chat. So there will be a new perspective on AI that I have seemed to have gotten when I was talking to a friend of mine. I wouldn't say a friend of mine. It was just a common call that I was on, and we were allowed to raise questions. I raised all the questions that I had already in my previous videos, and I got the answer about the AI versus compiler argument. And I've got to say, the person that I was talking to, I got impressed by his thoughts so much. He has about 25 years of developer experience, more than 25 years. He's, I think, in his 60s or something. And he was right around the time compilers were getting introduced into the tech sector. And everybody said that compilers are inefficient, compilers are this, compilers are that, so why should we adopt compilers? But then he raised some points that I really resonated with. And I haven't been able to stop thinking about it from yesterday. So this will be a section that I will be covering in a long format video of mine. In the current project, Simple GST. Okay. Humidity in Kolkata gets you. Yeah, it does, it does. Living in Delhi for past 3 years now, I prefer this dry heat than what it was back in Kolkata. Yeah, it's just March and going 42. It is crazy, it is crazy. The weather, it's gonna get warmer now. The closer we get to May or June, it's gonna get insane. Don't like dry heat. Yeah, you don't like my Discord server as well, Abhijit, that you quit. Don't think I didn't see that. I saw it.
Developed and the long-term plans that Google has for this operating system. But since I'm not on Android anymore, I got to pay that Apple tax somehow. So if I'm going to make sure this bill for this phone gets paid, we need to take a quick sponsor break. Be right back. Today's sponsor is actually on topic for once. It's Infinite Red. The industry X been ported to different places. You'd be able to run. Gesture was patented by Apple because it was part of their genuine technological revolution with how the Android project was doing okay at the time. They were excited to see where they could go building this platform for apps. But then the iPhone happened, kind of threw a wrench into those plans because the iPhone Google was using Java in a very unintended way and re-architecting it for free. Yeah. Android's whole history here is weird. It's also worth noting that Android from its start was always meant to be an open standard because they
Man, Theo takes just simple topics and just makes a 42-minute video on it. This is crazy. Like, I wouldn't be able to do it.
Wanted to be the standard, and they saw openness as a path there. So when it was acquired by Google, they maintained, which ended up being the first super successful anti-Apple marketing campaign. Now all of a
Where is the part that Google is about to change? Google moved all of the Google stuff out of Android Core. The OS updates were not shipped by Google.
sudden, you can have a properly de-Googled phone. Also, at some point around here, acquire would make about $1 a month per iPhone user and a bunch less, like 47 cents per Android user. Huh. So average spend is $12.77 per app on Android, $6.19 or on iOS, $6.19 per Android. Yeah, these numbers was continuing to improve their chips with the iPhone, but they couldn't keep up because despite iPhones getting really good over time, Qualcomm just didn't.
Okay, I don't know. I'm not getting what it is about this one. Arindam, I'm not feeling like coding Molly on stream. Let me cook up a script, off stream, and I will share it with you in Discord server. Also, it's the weekend, bro. Chill out. Anyway, I don't know how Google has changed. Or Google has changed Android forever. Do you remember this Tirth Prasanna guy who got a little bit viral some time ago by saying that we are not worshipping the right God? Okay, bhai. I will write a script off stream and I will give it to you. Don't worry. The whole Twitter ecosystem is now melting over this Studio Ghiblified images, and I would say it's schizophrenic Hetirth. Yeah, he is. Snow White is all over your feed. Yeah. It is. It is. Also, I feel like YouTube's algorithm has changed a little bit. Because every now and then these videos with 3.6 million, 23 million, 41k, 48k, 513k views, all of these are right here. Then also 112 views. Um, these videos are also coming up in my feed now. It seems like Google has made some changes with the algorithm a little bit to promote smaller videos or smaller channels, things like that. It's nice. By the way, bro, no Ghibli profile. No, it's stupid. I don't want to do it. Why? Just why? This new feature is about to be relevant for like what, 3-4 days, and then it's gonna go away. Then nobody talks about it anymore. They all just did it for the trend. They all just did it for the likes. They all did it for the whatever, the clout, or whatever it is on Twitter. Also, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if the free version of ChatGPT does that. Where is this? Where is this thing? In the free version of ChatGPT, I don't feel like it's there. Is it? There's reason. There's search the web, and there's attach. Okay, let me log in. Miyazaki didn't like AI, so I'll respect his choices. Yeah, very fair. Thing is, these things are products that they are shipping to people. Image using DALL-E and Canvas collaborate and code. Then this is connect to Google Drive, temporary image using DALL-E. It's just not here. You saw Sam tweet, he mentioned that GPU is burning due to this trend. Very nice. It's good that it's happening. Where is Sam Altman? Did he say The 4.0 image, it's super fun seeing people love images in ChatGPT, but our GPUs are melting. We are going to temporarily introduce some rate limits while we work on making it more efficient. Hopefully, it won't be long. ChatGPT free tier will get 3 generations per day soon. Try Grok while you're at it. I have tried Grok. I would say I like it better than ChatGPT in some sense. I'm not able to completely say why that is. I'm not able to explain it, but I feel like Grok is better in some sense. Give me any question. Let's. It is deep search. Okay, let's say how much money did the Snow White movie lose? This is thinking. This is some happening. It's about how much money the was searching for Snow White movie. Then it is showing me all of the web pages. It is scraping with Rachel Zegler, Gal Gadot. Now it is searching other websites. 19 web pages. Damn, Ani, you are typing crazy long. For you saw, yeah. No version of ChatGPT does it. Oh, so it is ChatGPT 4.0. It seems like, isn't it? Grok is not giving accurate results. But then again, I would. This is the thing, right? I can't explain why I like Grok over ChatGPT. And the searching is still going on? It takes this much time. Damn. Hey Javed, welcome to the stream. First time here. Hi, finally paper over today. Oh, good. Ask him about its opinion on Snow White. Okay. And a van in the background. One day, Chad, you did an image of Indian street dog, a UK dog, and a UK dog. The result was striking, revealing stark contrast in the environment each dog was placed in. The first image of Indian street dog depicted a tough, scrappy dog standing in a rundown alley. The scene was gritty with graffiti-covered buildings, covered debris, and dusty urban atmosphere. Scooters were parked haphazardly, and the overall vibe screamed third world country, raw, chaotic, and unpolished. The dog looked resilient, like it had adapted to a harsh life on the streets. Next, the UK dog image showed a shaggy, well-groomed pup sitting on a clean London street. The setting was classic and orderly, with neat brick buildings lining the road. Classic black taxis were parked nearby, and a traditional lamppost stood tall. The atmosphere felt refined and historical, stark contrast to the Indian scene. Dog comfortable, like it belonged to a quaint, organized world. Finally, the US dog image portrayed a dog standing confidently on a city sidewalk next to a fire hydrant. Tall, modern buildings towered in the background, with few people walking in park nearby. The scene was clean and bustling with an urban developed feel. Think New York or Chicago. Man, this is still going on, this search. Holy shit. It is taking this long. That's nuts. These AI generated images highlighted not just the dogs but the vastly different worlds. Movie could lose up to $200 million, factoring in box office and other revenue streams like home video and streaming. Estimate accounts for the studio's share of box office earnings, typically 50%, and da 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 da. This is detailed. Opening weekend, the film earned 43 million domestically and 44 million internationally, totaling 87.3 million. 52 million in the US and Canada, 43 million internationally, for a worldwide total of 96 million. But Disney is not gonna be happy with $100 million internationally. I don't feel like. It needs to earn approximately 700 million at the box office, assuming a 50% studio share. But the Hollywood Reporter suggests a 500 million box office threshold for safety net, like factoring in ancillary revenue. Damn. This is crazy. Hey, Vaikun. Oh, bro, your tweet, no need to code. Yeah, and verified it. First of all, this verified kind of thing, do you know how expensive this is? For a single platform to just give me a tick mark, it is asking me 6,800 rupees a year, billed annually, And if I go to Premium Plus, where I would be able to write articles and largest reply boost and whatever, it is asking for 34,340 rupees a year. This is so crazy. I'm not gonna even consider buying it. And even if I just go on monthly, it is still asking me 650 rupees a month. This is nuts. This is absolute nuts. I could buy three Epic Games, Epic 3 games. What am I saying? I could buy three Epic games with that money. Why would I? Why would I buy verified with Twitter? It's not worth it for me. It's good for rage baiting. This Amjad Masad guy. Seriously, man. People say whatever they want. Do you know what though? I didn't realize that this tweet of mine, has this guy lost his mind or something, will get 1.1k impressions. Didn't see that coming. And even a YouTuber of 58,000 subscribers commented on this, basically quoted this one. Did you watch Final Destination trailer? No, I didn't. I'm not caught up on movies, you know. Do you like City Skylines games? The only game that I played closely related to City Skylines is, what was that? Amusement park, something with Age of Empires is not in the same category, but I have played Age of Empires back in the day. But these days, nah, I'm not playing anything new. I have Marvel Spider-Man 2. I played it in the normal story mode. Then I got into New Game Plus mode, and then I'm playing that. So I'm just finishing that one, and I'm thinking like it will take me 2 more weeks to finish New Game Plus mode, and after that, I'm thinking of playing. Which was the game? Elden Ring? Elden Ring? Yeah. I'm thinking of playing Elden Ring next. What's your opinion on Israel-Palestine issue? I know it's relevant to tech, but relevant to humanity. Nothing, bro. I have no opinions on this, please. Politics and everything, please keep that away from me. I'm not a political person. I'm not affiliated. I'm not pro this or anti that. I'm nothing. Please, yeah. You're making me nervous with that question. Yesterday, I learned CEO Perplexity is a Tamilian. Ah, okay. How I managed to wake up at 3:50. This one, I was thinking about creating a skit video around this guy, with everything that I do in my day in a life of software engineer video. I would take a bowl of ice water and just dunk my face in it. But apparently that trend is also over now. You aren't verified yet. No, why would I be? You know what is cheap? 332 rupees, which will get me Miku skin. And of course, oh, Civilization! Yeah. Now you're right, G Demon. Civilization games I have played. Hey, you missed my chat. Hey man, you are the person that toast a tech lead. I like that. He is a bullshitter. Of course, he's a bullshitter, bro. And this Guruji has completely taken, what is it? The money route now. He has completely shifted over to remote jobs and money. The last 2 or 3 videos, difference in salary, remote job, and 2025 tech layoffs. So basically, he's how much salary you want. He has gone over now. By the way, this is the worst video on YouTube right now. How to understand complex code in large project, fast and easy. No, he basically plugged his TopMate in it, and basically what his suggestion is that once you get assigned with your task, record it and then play it in front of a person who is offering services on TopMate, subliminally plugging his TopMate in the process. Bad advice, very bad advice. Black Myth Wukong. I haven't played Black Myth Wukong. I don't think I would be able to play it. I won't be able to pirate it. It is what it is. By the way, let me check on Steam what is the price now for Black Myth Wukong. Is it even 1,000 rupees or less? Please create. Why is it But why is it in this mode? Uh, okay, here we go. So where is search? Store. Oh, store. Here we go. Oh, you are a controller player. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. Here we go. I have the Xbox controller, bro. I love Xbox controller. This might be a hot take, but Xbox controller is better than PlayStation 5 controller. Plain and simple. Do you know why though? Because when we look at our hand, it is like this, right? You turn it over a little bit, so you can see that the index finger is right here and the thumb is right here. And this is the ergonomics that Xbox controller has. Like your finger is right here and your thumb is right here. This is a comfortable position when it comes to the Xbox controller. PlayStation 5 controller, your thumb has to be like right here. So this is like a non-natural positioning of the thumb, which can result in your thumbs getting strained after playing games for too long. I feel like this is ergonomically better with the Xbox controller. Yes, I have the same controller. The original one, bro, this cost me about 6,000 rupees when I bought it. It is crazy expensive. I take care of this controller. I brush it clean every now and then. Because I'm like, this is not a 1500 rupees controller that I can just throw in the background. In Zoe, this is a game that seems like G Demon 1 would like, isn't it? Okay, let's search. Black Myth Wukong. It is still 3,599 rupees, man. This is not affordable. This is not affordable. I'm not good at controller. I'm a keyboard player. Skill issues. Get a cheap controller, bro. Gaming is fun when it is like played with the proper equipment. I would be happy as him upon getting Miku skin. Thing is, this controller is for me. I can use this. I do use it. I do use it to play the games that I want. What benefit is there for me to get you the Miku skin or whatever skin? First of all, you crying about more and more skins is not gonna make me buy it. At least if you were loyal to one skin, I would have thought, okay, this skin means a lot to him. But now you're like Zendaya, you're like Venom, you're like whoever the character from Mortal Kombat. I'm like, you're not loyal to one skin, are you? How much is it? Edition upgrade and soundtrack selection 1,000 rupees, 4,599 for the digital deluxe edition. This is, oh man, this is too expensive. Is that Disney movie? Is it Snow White? It's more like Snow Bro. Yeah. My feed is kind of filled out with Snow White. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe because I watched Snow White when I was a child. I was a kid, and then this Rachel Zegler thing, this controversy happened, and now she's all over YouTube, getting roasted. Bro, opinion on. I prompted ChatGPT to generate images. Okay, 1 second. No way, Elden Ring. You gotta stream that. Okay, I will stream that. Dipping face in cold water is crazy good. Okay, it might be. I prompted ChatGPT to generate images of an Indian, UK, and US dog. Man, what do I say here, bro? If ChatGPT is biased, it is biased. Let it be. Buy this horror game, Liminal Core. Okay, I'll try. Take my Fortnite account whenever you wanna play. I don't even play Fortnite, bro. That's the major issue. Doesn't appeal to you, bro. You call it digital, whereas Zendaya exists IRL and Venom is relatable to you because you are playing Spider-Man game and Mortal Kombat because maybe you like that game. Sort of. Mortal Kombat is give or take. How's haptics in Xbox controller? Haptics is the standard vibration. Standard vibration is good enough for me. There's only one vibration setting. There is no low vibration, high vibration, or maximum vibration. It's only one, and I feel like it's good enough. Sometimes I get scared when my controller vibrates out of nowhere. Thoughts on Roy Lee and interview coder. Roy Lee got kicked out of Columbia. I think we all saw that Fireship video. And now he's not planning to step down. That's the crazy thing. He's still building products. And his motive is now to troll big tech, which is, I say, was well deserved. Of course, if you keep punching down on software developers being like, the industry doesn't need you, we have AI, you're going to get replaced, surely one of them would get pissed and create a competing or create a troll level product. So it's good for him that he did this. You can buy a cheap skin for a controller. I'm also skin. Okay. Send me your BGMI ID on Discord DM. Okay, I'm back. Okay, welcome back. BGMI ID. Okay, I'll send. But I won't be able to play now because the phone that I use for BGMI is the webcam right now. This is my other phone, Redmi 12, and this obviously can't play BGMI. It's not even. It doesn't have the hardware to run it smoothly. I am intern as UI engineer. Yesterday manager says I take, first of all, Ragul Kannan, a viewer of my channel, right? He posted a LinkedIn post about getting a certification. I misread it and I thought that he got a job as a MongoDB administrator, and I ended up saying congratulations to him in the comment section. Then when I opened LinkedIn once again later that day, then I realized that it's not a job, it's a certification. And then I'm like, do I delete the comment? And like, leave it up, who cares? Yes, I have the, oh, it's a birthday gift, it's free for me. Oh, that's good. Try RDR2 sometime. Story so good, it will blow your mind. I have tried RDR2, 2 times I have tried it. The slow gameplay in the beginning, the confusing mechanics, the confusing storyline. I was not sure if I'm progressing in the main story or I'm doing a side mission, things like that. It confused the hell out of me. And as a result of that, I deleted that. 2 times it has happened. But I'm still not losing hope on RDR2 because I have heard that it is apparently a thing where people try RDR2. It is way slow in the beginning and then they get tired and they uninstall the game. Happened with me as well. I'll give it another shot. What's your upload speed in OBS Studio and your internet speed, please? OBS Studio, you can see right here. 3.59, okay, 2.6 Mbps, you can assume. I can't say for Twitch what it is because it is the primary control in the bottom right. After that, if my internet speed you want to see, then that is fast.com. This is my internet speed, 31 Mbps, because that is the JioFiber plan that I have. JioFiber, 399 rupees a month. It gives me 31 Mbps. I'd say it's good, pretty stable, but yeah, it's good enough. 399 rupees for a month of Wi-Fi. It's not, I don't think it's that expensive. Even he is scared with you. He can't roast you. Obviously he can't. He tried to be this Alpha Sigma Chad in my comment section. Ended up pushing out of creating a response video. Please create the skit. Play that Asmongold clip. You seem to be a very big Asmongold fan, bro. Vaikun. First of all, the conversation that I had with you yesterday on Discord DMs, it doesn't seem like you have the goals set in your mind correctly. You should not put a timeline on your learning phase, bro. Don't put a timeline on it. Because you were like, I have time in my hands. I need to finish Python DSA before my next sem. And I was thinking like, if you end up midway, if you are in your learning phase, if you are midway into it, are you going to give up on Python DSA after your next sem begins? And that is not a good strategy. Your learning should be eternal. 8 years into the industry, I still don't feel like I know enough. You can easily beat me with a lead code question or whatever. But the thing that I have is that I don't give up on my learning. I still I still find out new things. I still explore, read things. I do that. So don't put a timeline on your learning. It's a very bad strategy. It ends up with you freaking out over your deadline approaching, and you're like, oh my god, I'm here, I'm in this part, I'm not even close to finishing it. What do I do now? What do I do now? And in this freak out, you end up not learning at all, because you put yourself in the position that you put a timeline on that learning phase, which no one else did for you. You did it to yourself. So dangerous strategy to follow, bro. Be aware of this. Enjoy is good. Okay, GED 1 will try it out. Grok provides sources and takes longer to process all the information to give results. Oh, okay. Not first time. I just changed my name. Previous was the Scorix. Oh, okay. What is Niklal even yapping about? I don't know, man. Just dog images, and he's now concerned. New things Red learns today. Buying Miko skin adds a decade extra to one's lifespan. No, it doesn't. Long-term timeline are not that great, but small bit by bit type timeline can help. But then again, how segmentized do you do it? I feel like timelines are not a good idea at all. If you want to achieve something a little bit, like let's say just your goal is learning trees, fine, learn trees. But don't distract yourself from it. Don't look at another shiny thing and then just go in that direction. You will end up getting nowhere. But timeline, no, I don't agree with the timeline thing. Yeah, that's where I stand on this. Search this game, 5 hearts under one roof. Okay. 5 hearts. Okay, let's see this guy.
गिव अप करना लेम होगा.
This seems like a realistic game. Oh damn. Oh, it feels like a live action game, isn't it? Where it is real people. Oh, weird place to pause. Okay. Yeah, now I see what it's about. Maybe it's a... Who the fuck is riding their bike like this? Yeah, do it. Be cool, bro. Do it. Because you use deep search, it takes time. Oh, okay. I see. Thanks, bro. I get it. Do a Studio Ghibli filter on you in ChatGPT. Nah. You gave me motivation power, I guess. Hey. Great. You caught in 4K. Yeah, I did. I knew it's gonna happen. 5 hearts under one roof sounds like a Korean title anyway. I see what type of game this is. This is live action recordings, and you basically make choices and corresponding video plays. I see. You saw the tweet Elon said AC Shadows is trash, and Activision replied something crazy. I did. Is that what the person running your Path of Exile 2 account told you? Yeah, I saw it. Assassin's Creed Shadows, and then Varun Maya jumped in. Varun Maya said Assassin's Creed Shadows is a good game. And I was like, nah, send this guy to jail. Kerosene engine bike. Yeah, it feels like he's not riding the bike, he's gonna actually take off. These people, man, they drive me crazy. And now electricity is out. Great. The moment I go to shut my door, that's when he decides to ride away. Check the above message. I like goals, not timetable. Yeah. Run node on the server file directly. What? Bro, I fucking solved. I have opened my third eye, Ultra Instinct mode. Okay, seriously, to solve errors like this, run it directly without using watch path or no daemon because they restart. Ah, okay. Do you play PUBG PC? PC version, no. Mobile version, yes. BGMI, yeah. Um, don't worry, my phone is shit. We can just have fun, not much of a rank push. Okay, I don't know what that means. From mid, the story picks up and it concludes on a very note end. Oh, RDR2, you mean? Okay, okay. From mid, so I have to tolerate. Don't disrespect Ghibli like that. Don't bring AI to it. First, you should try RDR1, bro. Then you will develop interest for RDR2. I have heard that you don't necessarily need to play RDR1 for RDR2. But I only play Minecraft with Xbox controller because I have MacBook, no other game I can run. Good. Actually, you can run other games on Mac. MacBook play PC games. This free app lets you play Windows Steam games on Mac OS. There you go. So try that. There are ways you can install. There is a Proton plugin in for Ubuntu that you can install, and inside that you can play games like Rocket League or Steam powered games or Epic Games powered games. Windows games on 100% free M series chips. Oh, that also depends what kind of MacBook you have. Is it an M series chip that you have? Why is the comment section collapsed? Sometimes you're reading comments from above and sometimes from bottom. Why is that? Is your comment order different from me? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. I actually get into talking about something. In the meantime, people say their things, and I can see the chat going up, the messages that I missed. This is why, like, I end the thing that I say, then I go back upwards and catch up for the chat. The audio has too much stereo separation, I guess. Gonna happen. I feel like it's not realistic. AC Shadows is actually trash. Last good AC I played was Origins. The last good Assassin's Creed game I played was Syndicate, and the graphics of Syndicate even hold up in today's standards. So that is where my Assassin's Creed series got ended. After that, whichever game came out, didn't play it. Is prequel of RDR1. Oh, okay, prequel. Okay, so then I get it. Okay, this is why you don't need to play RDR1 necessarily. I see. That is for BGMI, just fun, no rank push. Oh, okay, I see. Hey Aditya, welcome back. I said recently joined as an SWE intern in an MNC. My work is in front end in Angular. Any tips for me? Just work, bro. There are no tips from me. You are in the beginning phase. How much package are you getting? First of all, you're an intern, so I imagine something like 10,000 rupees a month you might be getting. You missed my chat. I didn't, Anna. No, I haven't. This one, right? What the fuck? All these tech YouTuber except you. I didn't. Okay, Aditya. Try to learn. Try to talk to developers. Try to see what their mindset is. I don't know. Ask your doubts with the code. Help out people with boilerplate. Help out people with CRUD forms and things like that. Yeah. 2017 model Intel chip. Then don't try it. It's not gonna work. Op.edix. Welcome to the stream. What stack should I learn for web dev in 2025 to get hired? I feel like you have been watching other YouTubers jump on this trend. Reality is, you don't need anything groundbreaking or you don't need anything out of the box to learn to get a job. Just learn what is the industry standard, HTML, CSS, JS, then pick front end, back end, whatever you want, pick mobile, pick cloud, pick cybersecurity, whatever you want, and then just go with it. No, you were reading comment which were below to mine, and then only after you were reading my comment. Oh, I see. There might be a difference. There might be a difference. You may want to check if you have selected top chat instead of live chat, because this is a problem that was there beginning days of my stream. So many messages were getting lost in top chat. I'm lagging. Oh, Anna is brother, I guess, or it can be Rice. Did you see the touch grass keyboard from HyperX? Touch grass keyboard. This one?
Got myself one of these. This custom RK61 AstroTurf Edition, as I like to call it, has hot swappable blue switches and the finest toilet training pet grass finish keycaps to provide optimal finger to lawn contact even during the sweatiest of Overwatch matches.
I imagine you're gonna get bugs and flies in it. I imagine this will be a dirt and dust magnet if you get a keyboard like this. I literally don't see a benefit. For even a troll project, it is still... Ugh. Hey Regi, sorry. Welcome to the stream. Bro, it was an NPM script problem. Told you. I guess you give divine problem solving energy. Nice. This. HyperX. It is the same thing, bro. It is the same thing. This mouse. Nope. Only on Saturdays and Sundays when I stream, entire neighborhood decides, let's have a party. 12 afternoon. Who cares? Who wants silence? Let's just put loudspeakers everywhere and let's just start singing songs. Can you hear songs in the background? Check its price on that link. Motherfucker. I'm... Never in a million years I would have thought that is a Rickroll. This was easy. I'll give you that. This was easy. Not going anywhere near that keyboard. Or water for that matter. Yeah. हरकिरत पागल है, अपना कॉलेज चोमू है, एटेकली टट्टी है, कोड़े हैरी क्यूट है, नीरज वाले को कुछ नहीं आता है, and all other shit only said is knowledgeable than everyone. Okay, what is the beef with you, Anna, regarding everybody? Chill out. Theo actually hearted my comment. Hey. Nice. Man, power cut. Did I miss something? No, you didn't. We are just chilling out, bro. We're just talking. Why does bro have Mia on YTube Shorts? Okay, first of all, I don't want to get into political things, but everything regarding this girl brought to tears by an angry fan is basically her political stances and what women should be and what women should do and everything, and the backlash and everything. It also makes for good YouTube drama. So basically, yeah. True emotions out on stream. What seems to be the problem? Rickrolled in 2025 is crazy. Yeah. It's been 1 month over here. How much time is required to adapt in any MNC? Sometimes I feel like I don't know anything. Nah, it's all right. Give or take the first 6 months, you're not gonna have an idea of what you're doing in a company. You're not gonna have an idea. So chill out, bro. It's all right. Just keep working. Seriously? Oh, now that I close my doors and windows, now everything is silent. Why do you always stand while streaming? Because burning calories, bro. I need to get this stomach in. I need it to be pushed in. I need to burn calories. I sit on a chair all day anyway, so why not do a stream while standing? It will help with my back issues. I don't have back issues, but it will still strengthen up the muscle. By the way, I'm going back. I'm going to the gym now consistently. Past, I joined the gym 12th March, and we are on 29th March. Between this much time, haven't missed even one day going to the gym. So I am back at the gym now. I feel like my muscles are coming back. Does gym help in getting a job? Okay, troll question. Not gonna. Okay, what is up with my YouTube recommendations? What kind of videos are they pushing out to me? Bhai 1 crore setup reveal kab? I don't have anything even closely. I would say it is less than 3 lakh rupees setup. The reason for the number being 3 lakhs is because my laptop cost me 2,42,000, and whatever the leftover money is, that 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 consists of this controller, this mic, this mouse. That's it. There is nothing more than that. You should take a rest day. Oh, actually, it is a rest day, bro. Sunday, my gym is closed. So yeah, that is a rest day. You could get a sexy PC built with that money. I already have it. The laptop that I have is a beast, is a powerhouse. भाई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर लिया. अभी थोड़ा बातचीत करते हैं. कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल टेक ओपिनियंस पर बात करो. You tell me any controversial tech opinion. I'll do it. You should. Okay, you are missing, sir. Okay, 1 second. I just explained you why my chat goes up and down. A tech lead is playing speaker in your neighborhood because he's scared of you. Some are a big scammer. Are you understanding? Oh, okay. I get it. भाई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर ली. Okay. Someone's predicting IPL match in his rough note and everything has clicked so far. Are you involved in any sports betting, fantasy team building, something like that? Do you know what though? I'm around people who like cricket. Obviously, it's India. Everybody loves cricket. But when somebody gets too detailed into players, when somebody tells me, "Oh, do you know about Rinku Singh? He in his last 3 matches, he has been caught out. He has been caught out twice. He got stumped once, and he has scored about 90 runs." The moment somebody gets into this much detail about somebody in cricket, I know for a fact they are betting money. I know for a fact. There is no way you can memorize those statistics in your head if money is not involved. No way. I don't buy that anybody can be such a big cricket fan that they will do it out of pure interest. That they will remember some players' last 5 matches scores and statistics. No way. Do you have ergonomic table for you to be standing? No, I don't. This is a wall embedded cupboard. I think you know what I mean. In villages and everything, like when we build our houses, the concrete itself is turned into a cupboard. There are 4 sections here, one at my shin level, one at my hip level, one at my chest level, and then one at my head level. So there are 4 sections here. I use the second one when I'm sitting down and coding. Third one, I use it right here when my laptop is right in front of me. So this is what I do while streaming. भाई वो Replit वाले का replies check करो. I have. That Replit guy is. Oh. Learn how to think, learn how to break down problems, learn how to communicate clearly. Yeah, as if that can happen. I understand all the cope. It was hard arrive at this It was hard arrive at this conclusion. Some grammar he has gotten. Maybe he should put in his tweets in ChatGPT to spell check and grammar check. Yeah. There are obvious domain exceptions, but the trend is hard to miss. Between my OSS work, Code Academy, and Replit, I popularized learning to code more than anyone else. A good chunk of my life's work. Bittersweet. I was the first engineer. Thing is, nobody is questioning your history. Nobody is questioning the things, your contribution to tech. What you say now matters. Everybody is judging for you for what you said today, not your legacy and everything. I think if Linus Torvalds even came out and said that you should not learn how to code in this AI age, I still feel like he's gonna get trolled on Twitter. What will I do in 2 months except coding? Can you tell, bhaiya? Yeah, do coding, bro. Learn concepts, learn tech stacks. Meanwhile, even Theo is taking a jab at this guy. Replit is hiring engineers to automate coding. And if you take a look at one of his tweets, essential Y Combinator advice, launch now, build something people want, do things that don't scale, find the 90-10 solution, find 10 to 100 customers who love your product. All startups are badly broken at some point. Write code, talk to users. It's not your money. Growth is the result of a great product, not the precursor. Don't scale your team product until you have built something people want. Valuation is not equal to success or even probability of success. Avoid long negotiated deals with big customers if you can. This is such a bunch of horse shit. Avoid conferences unless they are the best way to get customers. Avoid big company corporate development queries. They will only waste time. Avoid long negotiated deals with big customers if you can. Pre-product market fit. Do things that don't scale. Remain small, nimble. Startups can only solve one problem well at any given time. Founder relationships matter more than you think. Sometimes you need to fire your customers. They might be killing you. Ignore your competitors. Wow. Wow. Ignore your competitors. Great advice. Great advice. You will more likely die of suicide than murder. Huh? What? Most companies don't die because they run out of money. Most companies don't die because they run out of money. Then what is it? Be nice, or at least don't be a jerk. Get sleep and exercise. Take care of yourself. Only the last two advices I can get behind. Otherwise, everything is just horse shit. Where is it? Where is the tweet that I'm looking at? Yeah, here we go. Amjad, I say this with all due respect. What the fuck? I think I'm catching up on Twitter every day by day. The more I use Twitter, the more I feel like what is going on. I know things. Buy a mechanical keyboard, bruh. Sid and understanding Elmao that aged well. What? Chill, bro. They might have hired someone literature kid to write these. Yeah. A Replit CEO said, "Don't learn to code." Yeah, I know. IPL is not fun to watch anymore. I don't know why, like before it used to be, because it is commercialized. cricket is no longer a sport, it is a product that is getting sold to advertisers for advertisement money. That's what it is. The spirit of cricket is completely broken now. I still feel like people give a shit about the World Cups, T20 World Cup, Champions Trophy, and World Cup every 4 years. I feel like people still give a shit about that. Otherwise, everything is just noise now with cricket. I remember there used to be a time where highlights were a particular segment that got shown on TV. But now there is so much cricket going on. It's only websites and it's only like scoreboard websites that you can get statistics. It's so commercialized now. Every time you turn TV on, there is some match going on, whether it's Big Bash League, whether it is this cup or that cup or Falana Dhimkana Cup. I feel like we have discussed this enough. We don't need to go over a news article. If we have already roasted the source material, why do I need to go to a newspaper talking about it? No betting. It's viral on Instagram, bro. I don't know who's doing it. Sus behavior. Didn't know you started living a quiet village life. No, I won't say that this is a village. This is like tier 2 or tier 3, tier 2.5 city, I would say, that I live in right now. I'm not gonna tell you which city, otherwise I might get doxxed. Sometimes I feel really sad for creators like you who makes video on actual reality and not selling any dreams. What do you think that's why such a creator are not getting much views and subscribers? I don't care about views and subscribers, bro. That's the thing. If I did give a shit about the numbers, the views, subscribers, likes, shares, whatever, then you would see some approaches by me. You would see sponsors. You would see me asking for like and share and subscribes. I feel like as a content creator, it's my challenge to create such good content that it makes people subscribe. It makes people subscribe to my channel. That's what I feel like. I should not put myself in a position to ask for it. Because when I'm asking for it, it's like I'm not confident in my own content. My content is not good enough, so I'm trying to make up for it by asking for shares and subscribes. I shouldn't be like that. So I take it on my ego as a content creator that I will earn your subscription without even asking for it. And yeah, that's why I think my reach is getting a little bit hurt, because YouTube algorithm does say to ask for shares and subscribes at the beginning of the video, and I feel like that is the worst time to ask for it, because you haven't even shown your content, you haven't showcased what you have made, and you're already asking for rewards. No, I'm not going to do that. I don't even want to do it at the end of my video, because I feel like if you stuck around to the end of my video, it will make you subscribe without asking for it. So I take it as a challenge as a content creator myself. And that's not what everybody else is doing. Everybody is fine with selling dreams, throwing money at viewers' faces. I don't do that. So there you go. I'm happy with being a small creator. I don't want to be a creator that has 200,000 subscribers, like 1 million. Don't want that. I'm happy with what I have. Do you know iTechLead is launching a course, Chuti? Where is it? I want a link. Jalapeno. I want a link. I think my efforts are not in the right direction. I get distracted very easily. Any suggestions? It's turn off internet, turn off your phone, and just stick to documentation. Download the documentation in a PDF if you have to, but you're gonna have to force yourself into focusing. I do understand your problems. I do understand what you're going through. Sometimes I go through it as well. There is this thing with social media. I'm not gonna lie. Even as a boomer, you guys call me a boomer, I know. But there is this thing. When I'm coding, when I'm just living my daily life, I'm like, I'm a little bored. Let me check what's going on Instagram. And then I get lost in it. It is a real thing that happens with me every now and then, and I recognize it. 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, it just flies me by and I don't even clock it. I start scrolling Instagram reels at 2. Before I know it, it is 2:30. Before I know it, it is 2:50. And before I know it, it is 3. And I wasted a complete hour scrolling Instagram reels. Completely, I get lost in it. So there is that. This is why I understand what you are going through. This is dangerous. This is how well optimized these algorithms are now, that they can keep your attention for that long. It actually makes you feel like an NPC, doesn't it? I don't call you a boomer. Mikuski incoming after this appreciation. Yeah, why not? Might as well call me a boomer. We know it is India. Chill, bruh. I don't do IPL predictions. Look here. Better be not an NSFW. Oh, I see. Nope. Don't want to get into it. A relative of mine on my wife's side actually puts money in IPL matches. I heard it and I instantly judged him. I judged the guy for trying to make money like this. And he's like, oh, no, it's all chill. I only spend like 500 rupees with a friend. And if I win like 700 rupees and all. And I still was like, nah, that's gambling. That's straight up gambling. I don't advocate for that. I don't stand for it. Please tell me this is just troll guide. What do I tell you, bro? Strange quirk. I don't understand your question. I only watch main tournament matches. Oh, yeah, like Champions Trophy and World Cup. I know. Elmao, if your YouTube is so fucked, we want to see how fucked your Insta feed is. Okay, I don't take a guarantee on what's gonna come up. This is on you. You asked for it. So I click Reels. Okay, first of Bubu Dudu. Obviously, Bubu Dudu will come up. I'm a big fan of, yeah. Next, Aston Hall, of course. Aston Hall. Again, Bubu Dudu. That's great. So far, so good. Have you seen this video? Just to remind you what? Oh, come back March 29th. I don't know what this is about. I saw this reel some time ago. Tom and Jerry. Again, Bubu Dudu. Scrum Masters in Dev Teams, a tech related reel. Again, Bubu Dudu. Nice. Then another cartoon character trying to bank off of Bubu Dudu. Again, Bubu Dudu. That's nice. Hey, my Instagram feed is not effed at all. Show the explore page. Okay. Let's see. Explore. I see. I'm speechless. You. I just knew that this is gonna happen. I knew. I should stick to YouTube. I should not try to go to other platforms, especially on stream. You are exposed. Wait, what? Caught in 4K. Yeah, of course, caught in 4K. Actually, not in 4K. I would say 1080p. That's the maximum resolution you can see the stream in. 3 months DSA roadmap. Caught in 4K. It's not 4K, bro. It's 1080p. And first of all, don't act like your Instagram section is very clean and everything. Don't act like you all are clean. Your Instagram feed is filled with temple videos or religious videos or whatever. Don't act like that. My friend take a course from Chai and Code and he think these all classes are live but they are recorded. Too expensive for record classes for a poor student. Oh, that is a scam. But were you told, oh, live classes? Okay, so you were told that these were live classes and you got tricked. You should file a complaint in consumer court, to be honest. Take the screenshot of your payment receipt, take the screenshot of what was promised to you, and just slam them in court. I sent you 2 videos and sent you 2 videos in Discord DM. Full of temples, but not you. It is clean. You want me to send screenshot. On Discord, you will do it anyway. Ideally, I do want to create a course framework as well as multiple projects with the condition that I will scour the internet and get the right content as well as projects. And yes, this will be free and I will credit the content creators, but I am just not as skilled yet. Yeah, good intentions. Don't try to trick people with shady tactics and fear mongering. You're good. Arpit Bhayani sells a course, man, and I don't have a problem with that because he doesn't mention the money and the career and you will have the mansion and the Ferrari and the hot chick beside you. He doesn't do that, so I'm fine with it. Conan O'Brien is once again in my feed, but I don't use Instagram. You also know that. Okay. Have you seen Fireship lead code video? Oh yeah, that one. Roy, yeah. The guy who got kicked out of Columbia. Yeah, we talked about it. Bhai, your opinion on Piyush Garg? He's a course seller, bro. Him and Chai and Code are selling courses. There was a video up there of him trying vibe coding, this one.
So, hey everyone.
Let's see if quick links, GenAI course link, web dev cohort. First of all, for 2 web devs for selling courses, this is not a good looking website. I can't believe that I am criticizing the website, but for two of the biggest content creators in the web dev space, the web page sucks. The design, the alignment of things. Like, look at this. Doesn't this part seem a little bit messy? First of all, I can't select any text. It seems messy. This is like a government website. Then Piyush Garg has its own, okay, web dev cohort. I feel like there is no advertisements here, so at least they are clear on that. I tried vibe coding with Cursor AI. Oh, shut up. But now there's this Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is now getting told that this is better. How much better? We don't know. Chillax, bro. It was made by Kirat's kids. Oh, okay. First of all, you telling me to chillax is like the stream is titled Chill Stream, bro. I am here to chill. I used to watch Shark Tank so much, but I now fell out of it. I feel like it's just a format. where some entrepreneur tries to paint a picture like their product is the game changer. Then they get into questions. The one video that I often enjoy is the A2 motivation guy on Shark Tank. This video. I enjoy this video so much because Piyush gets angry instantly right out the gate, and he says, "I'm out. You're not able to articulate what you want." And then he gets roasted into oblivion by other sharks. Everyone's explore section is fucked. Of course it is. But I don't use Instagram. No, but we don't know before buying that it was live or record. Oh, I guess in that case, they are in the clear. Yeah. Looks like Streamlit. Bro thought this was a portfolio website. But still, this is a... No. Portfolio can suck. This is alright. Portfolio websites can showcase how much time you put into just selling yourself. But they are selling a product, in which case the website should look nice. If they don't even care about making a pretty website for people to entice into buying their courses, then it's like, do they even give a shit? That's the part here. It looks as if the text was written in MD file and then slapped on web page. Yeah. Good for you, Rajesh. But again, this is the one Shark Tank video that I enjoy every now and then. Skill based सिखाएंगे भोसड़ी के. You can't solve the skill problem on a national level now, can you? I feel like a one approach to this might be free videos by big creators about things like Apache Kafka, AWS load balancers and everything. That can help a little bit. But I feel like once you get a job, which is the most overrated thing, I have already said that over and over again, there does come a point where you get too comfortable in your current settings and you don't branch off of what you already know. There does come a point where you're like, I know enough. I'll survive for the next 20 years. It's all right. I don't have to put effort into just keep showing up at my job, just do my job, and that's enough. So that does affect your skills a little bit then too. You might be good at CSS, you might be good at Tailwind and all, and you're getting paid good money. So what incentive is there for you to learn React or Next or Svelte, anything like that? Rajesh is back, let's go. Bro, watch Penguin Zero morning routine video. Yeah, I saw that. You don't understand him is the title. I remember way too much shit on social media. This is crazy. Queen of cringe. Yeah, this one. You don't understand him. And I feel like this guy did, yeah, he does understand the trends and what people do to rage bait and what people do to gain attention on Twitter. I would say it was a mild rage bait because what he showcased in the video is not realistic for anybody out in the real world. Who the fuck is waking up at 4 a.m. and dipping his face in cold water 3 times before 9 a.m.? No one. Check Discord. I'm gonna check Discord on my phone, and yeah, not showing you that here. Second one is fucked. Yeah, your Instagram Explore is kind of clean. I would give you that. Yeah. Not as fucked as mine, but yeah. Hey Prince, 6946. Nice. Welcome to the server, bro. Please search Programmer Are Also Human. It's comedy short. We have seen it before, bro. We have seen it. I feel like this is the one of the most calm weeks for the tech sector on YouTube. I feel like I don't have anything to discuss in this one. Parikh Jain created that video where he talked about don't talk to people who are making 3 to 5 LPA. Was the one that pissed me off, shared it on Twitter, and now I can't talk about it anymore. Just in case people here don't know what I'm talking. This one.
यार आज मैं बड़ा खुश
This is the part I will show you that pissed me off when I saw it. Here.
होती है। तुम्हारे आसपास के लोग सिमिलर होंगे तुम्हारे जैसे वाले बंदे या बंदी से बात, तुम 3-4 एलपीए वाले लोगों के साथ बात करते रहे तो उनकी ग्रोथ उस हिसाब से चल रही है। बट अगर तुम किसी 10 एलपीए 20 एलपीए वाले बंदे या बंदी से बात ही नहीं करोगे, हाउ विल यू ग्रो? हमेशा अपने से बेटर लोगों से बात करनी है। एक प्रोफेशनल लाइफ डिफरेंट होती है, पर्सनल लाइफ डिफरेंट होती है। तुम्हारे आसपास के लोग सिमिलर होंगे तुम्हारे जैसे यार, लेकिन तुम्हें ढूंढना है जो काफी क्रिटिकल होने वाला है इज टॉक विद राइट पीपल। यार देखो, तुम कॉलेज में हो या तुम वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हो, तुम 3-4 एलपीए वाले लोगों के साथ बात करते रहे तो उनकी ग्रोथ उस हिसाब से चल रही है। बट अगर तुम किसी 10 एलपीए 20 एलपीए
Already I was pissed when I saw this. I was like, this guy is nuts. Why stop at 20 LPA? Talk to Ambani, dog. You will learn how to become a crorepati like him. Ambani is not even a crorepati, bro. He's a Arabpati. Scribble at 130. Yeah, sure. Let's do it. Companies don't want your college degree. Here's what they want.
करियर को लेके ना ये चीज मुझे बहुत सालों से परेशान कर रही है। हमें ये बोला गया था और कैसे आप वो इंसान या शख्स बन सकते।
First of all, he's talking about the index of this video. He's gonna talk about what's in this video, and it's already 1 minute and 24 seconds into it. This is borderline criminal. This is borderline wasting everybody's time. He is the Ishan from 30s, 40s. For 30s and 40s. Yeah, yeah. Just 2 days ago, I was browsing GitHub when I stumbled upon a few exposed database URLs. Curiosity got the best of me, so I fired up Prisma Studio on DVs, left my messages also. That's good. I hope you didn't do anything shady with that data. Check the third one, most emotional, please react on stream. What? Self-help advices from 2000. क्यों भाई क्यों इस वारिको का वीडियो क्यों? Let's see.
सबसे पहले
Because let's see what is it, what kind of candidate companies are looking for. Let me just jump ahead a little bit. Where is second part that he discusses?
हमें नहीं फर्क पड़ता कि तुमने कितने नंबर लाए हैं, हमें नहीं फर्क पड़ता कि तुमने कितनी मेहनत करी है। हमें सिर्फ एक ही चीज से फर्क पड़ता है कि तुम हमारी कंपनी में आके क्या उखाड़ सकते हो। क्रेडेंशियल
This one line is enough. This one line is enough. Screw this video. तुम हमारी कंपनी में आके क्या उखाड़ सकते हो? So basically, fuck freshers. Fuck anybody who doesn't have working experience. Yeah, just hire professional, already professionals. This is. They don't realize one thing that I believe in somewhat as a content creator is the kind of energy that you throw out in the real world is what gets set as a standard, right? So when I exposed creators like everybody who are selling dreams and hopes, that's when everybody got like the audience, the normal people, the common people like you and I, we got aware of what is happening in the online world. But the corporate sector doesn't listen to people like me. It listens to influential people like Ishan or Variku or anybody for that matter. Let's say Code with Harry. And if collectively every one of them says that companies are looking for this, companies are looking for this, which is obviously not an attribute of freshers, then I feel like the corporate sector, the management sector listens to people like him and they exaggerate the levels of freshers in their heads. And they feel like freshers should be able to accomplish more than what freshers were able to accomplish 10 years back. Even with the introduction of tools like AI, I still feel like there is an over-exaggeration of the standards or the bar of where a fresher can be. You can, okay, this is my personal, I'm just kidding around, but I still feel like even if you give a fresher all the tools in the world, like Replit, Canva, blah, 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 whatever, ChatGPT, they are still stupid. The reason I say that is because they don't know the consequences of bad code getting to production. They don't know the consequences of writing code in a certain way that doesn't fit well with the other members of your team and making it difficult for them to refactor it if they want to. They don't know the consequence of writing bad code. I already said that. They don't know the consequence of server management, where if they assign resources to a particular instance, let's say that you thought that 4 gigabytes of RAM for an EC2 instance was fine as a fresher, you don't know anything, but it ended up on the billing section of AWS, it cost the company a lot of money. And realistically, what you really needed was a 512 MB RAM EC2 instance, which would have costed less and would have satisfied your requirement. You don't know these things. You will never know these things. The only way that this can happen is by companies hiring freshers, giving them the sandbox that they can play around in, and then they can take on the real things. Server management, database management, systems management, whatever it is. So content creators saying the same thing over and over is that skills matter, skills matter, skills matter. Then the corporate sector will see these videos of these people and they will think like, yeah, it's fair. ChatGPT can teach somebody how to code. ChatGPT can explain code. Therefore, what excuse do you have as a fresher that you are not good enough as a senior engineer? And this is the key difference. We know the consequences. We know how to talk to clients. We know how to explain things to clients. We know how to be like fit in like a glove in the corporate sector. Freshers have no idea. Put them in front of the hiring manager and ask them to share 3 approaches to a problem that they think will be good. They're gonna pee their pants. I know that they will. Which is why, like, okay, this is a thing obviously, but in the previous days, freshers were not allowed to talk to anybody except anybody in the team except the team lead, because the team lead was like the mentor along with being the team lead, of course. So the team lead basically provided a sandbox for the junior engineers to not be harassed by the senior people of the company. But now that thing is completely changed definitions. Right out the gate, when you graduate college, you are expected to take on the hardest things in the company. You should be a fit like a glove sort of person, and you should be productive since day one. That doesn't happen. The nature of freshers has not changed, given all the technological marvels that we have seen. The definition of freshers is still the same. They are stupid. Let them play around in a sandbox of company resources and let them figure out what are the consequences of bad decisions. This is why I have a problem with Ankur Wariku's video. Like, what the hell are you saying, bro? Nashadi mean drunk. Nashadi. Oh, okay. He is a big nashabaz. Why are you seeing this Nashadi? Oh, okay. I see. No, nothing shady. Purely ethical. Oh, okay. Then fine. Ultron, I don't understand your question, bro. Please explain. Whoa, he slimmed a lot. Who? Okay, GED11, I think you are also drunk. You just typed A. A what, bro? Ankur. Ah, okay. भाई आज मेन्यू में क्या है लंच में? Actually, I have a red ants problem in my kitchen. So I have my lunch right here. आलू का पराठा. Okay, it is 1:30. I'm done with ranting and everything. Let's play Scribble. How many of you are here? 17 people. Okay. Let's play. So many of you retracted your message. What happened? You are getting too relatable to me day by day, bro. I'm glad to hear that, Kuni Panda. Thank you. Okay, let's play. Come on, GD11. Okay, you're the first one here. Let's play Scribble. Technical Suneja. Who's this technical Suneja, man? Technical son. It would be pretty insane if Suneja Bhai had actually joined. Alright. Should we start or should we wait a couple minutes for everybody to join in? Because it seems like a pretty easy audience for you, GED11. You will easily win. Okay, HP is here. Meme is here. Try to see if you can get limo, GED11. Alright, let's start. We will have more people join in between the game. Why are you writing it out? This is not fair. You will get kicked out, meme, if you do this. I am using mobile, can't draw well. Okay. This is not a good drawing. Come on, HP. Now this guy is typing it out. Harkirat is voting to kick HP. You guys are ruining this game, man. All are trolls. What the fuck? Yeah, I see. It seems like they are. Damn it. Got this yesterday while I was playing with cousins. Yeah, I know. You play this game outside of us. That is why you're so good at this game. Okay, I'm kicking this guy out. Whoever this guy is. Who was this? Can anybody tell who was this guy? But who was this guy? Can someone tell? Mocker, whoever you are, mess this up once, you're gonna get kicked out. Trust me, this is the best I could do. Okay. No, this is a good drawing. Come on, let's go. There we go. Bro, what do you say about Andrej Karpathy? Completely ruined everything with vibe coding and all. Completely ruined it. Just because he was able to get through code vibing it out, he now convinced everybody that they can as well. What? This was a good drawing. This was a good drawing. I would give it that. There is a dot. Yeah. Bro, you are managing both the stream and the game from phone. That's crazy. There we go. He's lying. Yeah. Oh, two phones. Yeah, he is lying. I am excited for a tech lead going into Technical Ninjas podcast. I do want to see what he said. I stole answer from your stream. Of course you did. भाई 3 तारीख को इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन का एग्ज़ाम टिप्स दे दो. Watch my streams, I guess. That will help you with your grammar. There we go. अरे YouTube पर छियो खान लाइव छियो. अरे YouTube पर छियो. He stole my answer, obviously. Tony is so close. Just 1 second delay. Yeah, of course, GD111. Of course. Good game. This is a comic stand-up kind of lady that I started watching. This girl, Swati Sachdeva, kind of enjoyed her skits, her stand-up. Man, are you gonna get? Are you gonna the game again today? Yeah, win. I mean, yeah, of course. But then Limo wasn't here. If she was here, then this would have been a different scorecard, I feel like. I spent 1,000 hours on Java plus Spring Boot, so you don't have to. 1,000 hours converted into days. How much is it? Into days. 41 days he spent on Java Spring Boot. 8 hours a day, if let's say he did. So 1,000 hours divided by 8. Okay, 1 second. He spent about 125 days with Java Spring Boot, and now the expectation is that we shouldn't spend this much time, and the result of that is a 8-minute 15-second video. Okay, bye bye. I have to go to sleep. I don't sleep yesterday because of exam, so bye. Okay, bro. Bye bye. It's really good. Rahul Subramaniam comedy.
GK, I wished I.
This is a guy on LinkedIn. I follow him. He is really funny. Oh, hey, Hypermotivation and bye, HP. I have a class now. Assuming that you saw me from your college or school, which is really cool. Thank you.
Can you please hold the
Thing about stand up, it's like dry joke, dry joke, dry joke, then bang. So he's basically stalling with his dry jokes. Yeah, happy to have you back, Hyper Motivation. What's going on? What's going on? Motivate us a little bit if you can, please. I would love to hear some motivation from you, though. Your name is Hyper Motivation, bro. What do I even tell you? And what is it that you need motivation for? What is it? I'm not a motivation kind of person because I have my own way of motivating, I guess. Normally, motivation speakers, they scream, they tell you things like, if you don't make money, then you will live a sad life. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in yelling. I'm a different type of motivation. It's like you have to listen to what I'm saying, but then you have to get the underlying message. Oh, so cringe. That is a cringe, bro. I'm not a ray of sunshine, please. Anything, bro. I don't have just true though. It is true. IIT people, they like to hang out with IIT people. IIM Bangalore, we just saw. Backgrounds matter a little bit with people. I have seen this happening. IIT people, you know what they have a habit in corporate of. The second you are from IIT background in a company and you tell other people that you are from this IIT or that IIT, now you find yourselves in a group of IIT engineers, IIT graduates, whatever. It is like a club of people where they only want IIT people in it. I have seen this happen.
Okay, how did you meet in the cafe?
I was
Both of
just
you said
Sid thinking of an alternate reality where he is in IIT or IIM finding love over there. Nah. I would have liked to be in IIT, but not for finding love or whatever. For career prospects, yeah, sure. But I feel like it's a good thing that I wasn't there. Otherwise, I wouldn't be who I am today. I feel like it was I don't want to say God's plan, but some superpowers plan to not put me in one of those institutions. Otherwise, I might have been one of those douchebags that's just like, you can also make 30-40 LPA, you can also do this, just buy my course. I would have been one of those assholes. So bro still regrets not getting an IIT. Nah, I don't. The industry has given me everything back that I gave to it, and I'm happy about that. In fact, it gave me more than what it took from me. That's what I feel about the industry. It has not only given me a means to earn my living, but it has given me so much more than that. So yeah. There is a reality video that I will post. Let me show you on Docs. I have been scripting this one. This is a script that I have been writing for the reality of the IT industry. So there are few points left that I have to cover in this scripting process. So yeah, I'll get there. But you are giving back to your viewers like a Miku skin. No, a Miku skin is not the way to give back to the industry. That is giving back to you personally, on a personal level. And let's just face it, I don't want to say it. Anyway, this is the script that I have been writing. So once this is done, I need to come up with at least, I said giving back to viewers. This is, I have written 4 pages at this point. Oh, it's not 4 pages, it's actually 3 pages. I have written up until this point. I need to write it a little bit more. I need to add a couple more points. Then I feel like this video will be complete and then I can actually shoot it. But this one video, I want to make it a good video. I would be putting in visual animations, the transitioning effects things. Make it a little bit brain rot is basically what I'm saying. Make it a little bit Gen Z way. Have you seen the Kolkata suicide case? Now what happened in Kolkata, bro? Techie suicide. When did this happen? March 21. This is like last week. A 50-year-old senior manager employed with an Indo-American multinational IT consulting and outsourcing company, Dwaipayan Bhattacharjee, jumped to death from the 6th floor refuge area at Candor Tech Space in Newtown. Damn, in Newtown. Resident of Mudiali in South Kolkata, he survived by his wife and 2 children. Investigations revealed that Bhattacharya was battling depression and was under medication. Indicate suicide. Please all possible angles. As usual, as logged into his system, Harvard College claims that he appeared distressed and distracted throughout the day. Shortly after lunch, around 3 p.m., his bloodied body was found at the parking lot outside the office tower. His family also informed authorities that he was under stress in recent times. We are reviewing CCTV footage to determine the exact circumstances under which he accessed the refuge area. A 1994 batch BSc Physics Presidency University alumnus Bhattacharya was leading a team of software engineers in his organization. The on-duty security guards were the first to react after hearing a loud thud, lying face down in a pool of blood. Alerted the police, Bhattacharya was rushed to a nearby private hospital. In ICU, succumbed to multiple injuries. Cop has sent the body for post-mortem and are examining his gadgets. Unnatural death. Damn, this is crazy. When did this happen? March 5th. 16 crore rupees debt. March 20, was struggling with depression. Oh, okay, I see. Now I know. That is sad, bro. That is not even anything related specific to Kolkata. Newtown means rich. Kind of richer neighborhoods. Yeah, sure. Yeah. This is sad though. That these things are still happening. People committing Sudoku just because somebody's pushing, somebody's do you know, I know the feeling though. I know the feeling. I do know the dread you can feel in IT sector after working multiple years. There are some indicators. Scribble over. Yeah, it is. That MNC company is cognizant. They are hiding the name. Oh, they can't hide it. Oh, okay, I see. The news media is, yeah, doing that. Scribble game over. Yes, it is over. You are not on the Discord server for good reason, but I pinged it. Anyway, I do know the feeling a little bit. There are certain people in the corporate sector that will make your life literal hell when it comes to work or achieving a deadline or achieving a goal or anything like that. In an ideal world, everybody should be reprimanded for the bad things that they do. Not the bad things, the mistakes that they commit at the office. But India is like next level when it comes to worker exploitation and the screaming and the yelling. It's next level. Sometimes I have seen customer support people, actually in my city where I live now, I was talking to my wife about the work standards here and what is considered normal. And she told me that a salary of 15,000 rupees is considered good in this city. Outside of city, I would say. And 6 days working is mandatory. Monday to Saturday, take it for granted that you're going to be asked to come to the office. And in some cases, also Sunday. And speaking of that, my wife was just texting me on WhatsApp now that there is a 90% chance that she has to go to the office tomorrow. So even on Sundays, even on weekends, even on holidays, you're not getting your thing, your deserved holiday. Sometimes I hear this argument in companies where they go, the client doesn't celebrate Diwali, The client is American, they don't celebrate Holi. So what do you need a leave for? So you don't get the leave. Now they have Christmas and they have Thanksgiving and they have the holidays season. So then you get told that the client is celebrating holidays. We don't have those holidays. So what do you need a leave for? Now you end up working in the last week of December. Doesn't matter if it is 31st December, doesn't matter if it is 1st January, doesn't matter. You're not going to get a leave. All of these small things, they contribute to the workers' disengagement or the drive in people to show up at the company and work for it. It does have that toll. And in some extreme cases, like we just saw now, it can push people into doing those things. I just had interview today. I was so excited to put myself to test. Interviewer just asked 3 basic questions, stopped me in between just to interrupt my flow and confuse me. Then he said, thanks, only 15 minutes. That's a dick, bro. That's a dick behavior. That's a shit interview and shit company anyway. Be happy that you did not get trapped into that company. By the way, there is a scam going around web development. Wifey earns more than you. No, she doesn't. Not even close. The salary number that I told you, increase that salary number by 30%. That's her salary per month. What is the scam, hypermotivation? Let me know. I'll wait. Also, I feel like this is a good place to end the stream. I feel like 2 hours I've been here. Tomorrow I'm going to stream anyway, 12 afternoon, same time. So yeah, wifey earns more than you. Actually, I wished that she did. But given the economy where we are, she can't get a salary, like 50,000 salary here in this city is like borderline impossible. It is considered one of the best salaries you can get here because the house rent is like 6,000 rupees. You can get a 2 BHK like me where I'm living now. So these things come into the factor. Like Bangalore, you will see packages like 20 LPA converting into a package, a salary, take home salary of let's say 90,000, 1 lakh. Let's say 90,000 to 1,30,000 a month, somewhere in between, because obviously 20 LPA doesn't get divided by 12 and that is the one that you're taking home. Oh, actually 20 LPA is on paper, 20 LPA should be 1.4, 1.3, I don't know, but that translates into an in-hand salary of 70,000 to at max 1 lakh. But then Bangalore is expensive as well. 18K you're spending home rent, then parking fees, then maintenance fees that you're paying, then other things around your house that you have that you're paying for. So petrol, obviously, traffic, these things happen. And the company's presence also matters in an economy like Bangalore where there are so many companies. This is why you get paid so much. But that's not the case with here. House rent is pretty cheap, groceries are pretty cheap, vegetables are pretty cheap. So, and companies are not here, the big ones. So it's like factory kind of thing. The city that where I live now, it is mostly Tata Industries, thing. And most of the companies, the big players are factories here. So that's what you get hired as. Which is why a salary like 50,000 a month is batshit insane salary that you can get here. I will ping you on LinkedIn for more details. Check out Sater Systems Ambition Box review. Huh? What is that? Sater Systems Ambition Box. 2.4 out of 5. the person who ran it. They build good websites and applications. What I dislike is everything. There is no company named Settle Systems. They are just frauds and scammers who are just looting your money. They will initially charge 1500 to 2500 and then will give a so-called training of web dev, which has no leg, ears, eyes or anything. Udesk is a company who's tied up with this, and they are making you fool by taking your money as well as wasting your many of your precious months. All scam, but I want none of you should get trapped. All the best and nice acting HR. They are fraudsters. Obviously they target people from non-IT background. Anybody worth their salt in IT background is not gonna fall into a scam like this. Miku skin for real, then bro earns more than people in his city. Of course I earn more than the people in this city, bro. I earn 80k, 90k. I have told you that. So it is an insane salary to have in the city where I live. I almost said it out loud. Good I didn't. Okay guys, so this is it for today's stream. Let me go now, and I'll see you tomorrow, 12 afternoon, same time, same place, same channel. Yeah. Miku skin incoming soon. No, it wouldn't. No, it wouldn't. Alright guys. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Take care, bro. Yeah, you take care as well, Hyper Motivation. See you tomorrow, bro. 12 afternoon, same time. Alright. Bye bye. Alright, Twitch viewers. I know you're still here. Bye bye to you guys as well.